Enne kesengi depan mannya ke dorman mang tengka ke JHADC, haiwa umadan bai rembai, de keliu kat wan wadang sa ke tulab, kiwa krek ke JHADC, hado enne kesengi. Haya tok wa ini, usi yam ke kaunsel utambar ciwat, daong wa ke tulab wadang sa, man ko hado unru benai. Umadan bai de keliu le, kat wan teli ki bid office open krek kam de ke JHADC, haiwa UH nong tedu, uwaman UIM ke cenat forest, depan tibu, UM lately kini ki bid office open kerekam ke council. Kini MK harata cera mau kendor wahagaram pani.
How many months of the pending salary of the council employee cannot be cleared by the executive committee till date. They are start in 6 months. Mr. Chairman, I want to know the honorable member in charge, and at the same time the honorable chief executive member in charge of the department. You have started how long you can clear the pending salary of the council employees right from today.
Mr. Kelansa, regarding the pending salary of the employees of the council, I have several time with the Minister in charge ECA and the Minister in charge Finance to the government of Meghalaya. But from the government side, I am assured that the pending salary will be cleared within this financial year. But the matter is now under process. I hope that in this financial year, the government will release all the pending salaries of our employees.
Mr. Chairman, next supplementary question. The representative committee have inquired or not from the state government the remaining balance of our shares, how much pending to release is sanctioned by the state government of Nigeria till date.
Mr. Adelansa, till date we could not know, because every financial year the Department of Geology and Mining have to publish all the balance and all the share of the council after the end of this financial year. But I hope and I expect within the end of this month we will get the balance of the last month of the last year of the share of the council.
Mr. Chairman, sir, the same question, because I want to know, you have inquired or not yet inquired from the state government, the department concerned which obtain our share, the revenue of collection, both the mineral resources and the forest property. Just I want to know, you have inquired or not yet?
Yes, sir. Several times we met the government what to know, but they could not promise us because
100%.
yeah.
Okay. Thank you. That is the first question, Mr. Chairman, sir. No more supplementary question from my side.